Next, we are going to chapter 60 Water Resources. Our first topic is Water Resources of India. India accounts for about 2.45% of the world's surface area, 4% of the world water resources, and about 16% of the world's population. The total water available from precipitation in the country in a year is about 4,000 cubic kilometer. The availability from surface water and replenishable water, groundwater, is 1,869 cubic kilometer. Out of this, only 60% can be put to beneficial uses. Thus, the total utilization water resource in the country is only 1,122 cubic kilometer. Next, we are going to surface water resources. There are four major sources of surface water. These are rivers, lakes, ponds, and tanks. In the country, there are about 10,360 rivers and their tributaries longer than 1.6 km each. The mean annual flow in all the river basins in the India is estimated to be 1,869 cubic kilometer. However, due to topographical and hydrological and other constraints, only about 690 cubic kilometer of the available surface water can be utilized. Water flow in a river depends on size of its catchment area or river basin and rainfall within its catchment area. Next, lagoons and backwaters. India has a vast coastline and the coast is very indented in some states. Due to this, a number of lagoons and lakes have formed. The states like Kerala, Orissa and West Bengal have vast surface water resources in these lagoons and lakes. Although water is generally brackish in those water bodies, it is used for fishing and irrigating certain varieties of paddy crops, coconut, etc. Next, water demand and utilization. India has traditionally been an agrarian economy and about two-thirds of its population have been dependent on agriculture. Hence, development of irrigation to increase agriculture production has been assigned a very high priority in the 5-year plans and multipurpose river valleys. Projects like the Bakranangal, Hirakud, Damodar, Haveli, Nagarjuna Sagar, Indira Gandhi Canal Project, etc. have been taken up. In fact, Indians' water demand at present is dominated by irrigational needs. Next, emerging water problems. The per capita availability of water is dwindling day by day due to increase in population. The available water resources are also getting populated with industrial, agriculture and domestic influence. And this in turn is further limiting the availability of usable water resources. Next, deterioration of water quality. Water quality refers to purity of water or water without unwanted foreign substances. Water gets populated by foreign matters such as microorganisms, chemicals, industrial and other waste. Such matters deteriorate the quality of water and render it unfit for human use. The toxic substances enter lakes, streams, rivers, ocean, and other water bodies. They get dissolved or lie suspended in water. This results in pollution of water, whereby quality of water deteriorates, affecting aquatic systems. Sometimes these pollutants also seep down and pollute groundwater. The Ganga and Yamuna are the two highly polluted rivers in the country. Next, prevention of water pollution. Available water resources are degrading rapidly. The major rivers of the country generally retain better water quality in less densely populated upper stretches in hilly areas. In plains, river water is used intensively for irrigation, drinking, domestic and industrial purposes. The drains carrying agriculture, domestic and industrial effluents join the river. Next, watershed management. Watershed management basically refers to efficient management and conservation of surface and groundwater resources. It involves prevention of runoff and storage and recharge of groundwater through various methods like percolation tanks, recharge wells, etc. However, in broad sense, watershed management includes conservation, regeneration and judicious use of all resources, natural and human, with a watershed. Watershed management aims at bringing about balance between natural resources on the one hand, the society on the other. The success of watershed development largely depends upon community participation. The central and state governments have initiated many watershed development and management programs in the country. Tamil Nadu has made water harvesting structures in the houses compulsory. No building can be constructed without making structures for water harvesting. Watershed development projects in some areas have been successful in regenerating environment and economy. Next, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a method to capture the stored rainwater for various uses. It is also used to recharge groundwater aquifers. It is a low-cost and eco-friendly technique for preserving every drop of water. By guiding the rainwater harvesting increases water availability, checks the declining groundwater table, improves the quality of the groundwater through dilution of contaminants like fluoride and nitrite, prevents soil erosion and flooding, and arrests salt water intrusion and coastal areas if used to recharge aquifers.